I didn't see you in school today.
Neither did I, but I wrote your phone.
Tell me when you're going.
If I could rearrange the alphabet, I'll put you and I together.
What's up? I'm about to go see my childhood crush.
Next to mine, while life take its course, time stolen, so much I've lost. My phone's broken,